4 months at Foran has been crazy. There's been 850 people on site, busy, hustling and bustling. This is the happening place to be right now.
We have people from all across Canada to peek your head out and really look around and say, wow, you know, we're doing it. It's just amazing.
We are meeting the moment. We can build for Canada, we can build for the world.
Now the finishing touches are all coming onto it as well. You go and you see the conveyors, you see the tanks, you see absolutely everything you need for the mill to function. It is almost a fully fledged mine.
It used to be called an exploration company, used to be called a developer, now it's soon going to be called a producer.
It's an intense period, but we're starting to see the light, and the light is bright.
I just can't even start to tell you how exciting it is to be here. The energy, the changes, the people, it's a phenomenal place, and it's just so different every single time I walk through the gate.
We're here at McIlvenna Bay's mine site. We'll do a little bit of a tour here so that you guys can see the whole process here at Foran Mining. So this is where all the material gets dumped from underground into the first process of the mill. The material will get dropped into the jaw crusher here. It'll get broken down to a smaller finite product. From there, the ore goes all the way up. That's where we get to feed the material into the plant and calibrate the whole plant. We're going to start with copper, get that system all dialed in, and then we'll switch over to the zinc side, getting a complete suite of the product. The power coming in from SAS Power is 110 kV power line that reaches around site and ties into the main transformer at the back side of the property there. We're planning to have that facility operational by March. That's really what's going to give us enough juice to make this place go.
From the coarse ore bin, the 5-inch material that was crushed, it will go to this first grinding mill that the material is going to see. From 5-inch, it will bring it down to at least 75 micron sizes. The most exciting part right now for us is the hot commissioning, where we're going to feed ore into our system. I'm so proud to be a part of this. This is really a childhood dream of mine.
We are a brand new mine site, we are a brand new company. We have the opportunity to create something truly, truly special here.
This is as high as it gets. This is kind of the bird's eye view of site. None of this was here 6 months ago, right? We're moving at lightning speed.
For the longest time, underground and surface were separated, but now with the fresh air raise nearing completion, we'll be fully joining the surface and underground worlds together.
I always told both teams it's a bit of a race. They've been kind of two independent fronts and now coming together. So when the mill starts, we can keep feeding it regularly. We're probably around 7.5 kilometers of drifting done, ready to start blasting our first stope.
So with long hole stoping, you've got an overcut and an undercut, and you're accessing both areas from the footwall. We'll drill holes, and then we'll blast all that material out.
This is our ore stockpile that we're driving over right now. We'll use it to feed into the mill. Out of all this material, 2 to 4% of it is copper.
A lot of people are excited for this project, not just in Manitoba and Saskatchewan, but across the rest of the country. We're building a mine and we're having fun doing it.
It is Canada, we're cold, but everything's just winding up. Really, I think people want to be part of a nation-building project, and that's exactly what this is.
Foran will strengthen Canada's position as a global supplier of critical minerals.
The world is desperately short of critical minerals because of the energy transition that is going on. The world is looking for a stable, safe source of supply.
We are being recognised at the federal level, which has been incredibly exciting for us. It just validates that idea that we're trying to do things differently at Foran, and we're being noticed for that.
Bringing the Foran mine on gives us an important new source of copper. That's how we give Canada the sovereignty and national security it needs. That's how we put cards in our hands. When we provide that source of supply, it creates great jobs for Canadians.
It's pretty exciting to have the nation aware of what we're doing here. The number of applicants we received skyrocketed. The quality of candidates we were getting was amazing. We're unique. We're doing things that other companies aren't doing.
The Foran mine is a great way to contribute to Canada's sustainability and making us the strongest country in the G7. That's a big win.
The copper and the zinc at McIlvenna Bay has been in the ground for 1.8 billion years. We've known about it for 37 of those years. We are on the home straight now towards first production. The next time you hear from us, we will be a fully functional mine.